Today I'm making chocolate chip cookie stuffed crescents. First you're going to need 1 can of crescent rolls. Next I have all the crescents on a lined baking sheet. Next I'm going to take a piece of chocolate chip cookie dough and press it onto the crescent and then roll up the crescent. Then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the crescent rolls and then bake this at 375 for 10 minutes. While the crescent rolls are baking, I'm going to make the glaze. So in a bowl I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of heavy cream and mix that up until it's combined. Once the crescent rolls come out of the oven, I'm going to add a big dollop of glaze on each crescent roll and then let these set up for 1 hour. Once the crescent rolls set up, I added them to a tray and here's an up close look.